after many days, I'm back again with a high-performing tool, the well-performing 4i signal indicator. I hope you already know about this non-repainted indicator. We are showcasing another client's account that we manage, which started with $1,000 and now it has doubled. Basically, we offer both account management services and customer indicator. For account management, we utilize specialized undisclosed systems personally. And however, after extensive research, we have released several indicators that are performing exceptionally well, confidently outpacing others available online. The 4i indicator is one of our top performers and is currently trending alongside our miracle signal. It is truly fantastic. We strongly recommend trying the 4i indicator at least once. If you have used many indicators before without satisfactory results, we assure you this one will be different. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And if you are new to trading, don't have the time, our account management services can help grow your account. We have a proven track record and numerous happy clients. Many traders hesitate to use some indicators because of past bad experience, such as repainted indicators or unreliable sellers. Some even face issues of non-delivery. We have heard these concerns from many of our clients. Actually, it's tough to find a trustworthy platform and seller online, but we ensure your journey with us will be accurate and perfect. We have already published several systems and indicators for Forex and binary options. If you check out our channel, you'll see that we take our time to analyze, create, and verify the performance of each one before publishing. We don't release systems regularly because we want to ensure they perform well. This is why we have only published a few systems and indicators so far. So today, I'm going to show you some live trades using the 4i signal 4i indicator on a client's account for binary options trading. You can use this indicator with any binary options platforms, brokers, including Pocket Option, Codex, and all others. Actually, there is no restrictions that you cannot use for this platform, No, you can use for all the platforms, all the brokers. All right, there's no problem. Okay, let's go to the chart you are seeing here. Let's revise again the rules. It's very simple actually. Here you can see there are two signs in front of your eyes. Basically, there are four systems included inside the indicator mechanism. All right, whenever you see the arrow signal appears, then also you have to check out the trend line is the same color or not, same direction or not. All right, if both are same, then you will take the trade from the next candle opening time. Okay, that means when you matched the signal, then you have to wait for closing the current candle with the signal. All right, and then trade from the next candle. That's it. That's very simple actually. There are many videos about the indicator, so check out the playlist of 4i indicator from our channel. All right, so enjoy your trading with us. Now let's see some trades here.